See, I don't know how that issue gets linked to airport area. That area which was meant for airport parking was wrongly done, and that's how that acquisition was dropped. And it was given back to the private party. This is a long dead issue. If Goenka Awas wants to choose such dead issues, that shows how dead ideas they are roaming with. Yet something latest, not something which is already buried long ago. I am really sad at such utterances from them. That shows their bankruptcy of thoughts and as well as issues.
Do you think they are creating issues because of elections are coming?
Obviously, as elections are nearby, the voices will become more and more shriller, more and more empty, and you will have here many such unwanted propaganda being launched because they cannot get anything concrete where they can really pin this government.